we have some exciting stuff for you today. We're going to be doing an unboxing. Guess what it is? It's a little small, but it's the best part. Look at that gorgeous color. So on LV website, it's called Turtle Dove. I know, it's a little bit different from, you know, your regular pink, black, but they call it Turtle Dove. To me, it kind of looked like a little bit gray and beige at the same time. Very neutral, very nice. Easy to wear with stuff. And I find that these letters are very nice and very forgiving. Much more durable than I find on a lot of stuff. And inside there's 2 inserts. You have the card insert. There's a slot for you to put in cash, receipt. And then you have the zipper insert. Very roomy. Put a lot of stuff in there. It's the best night out, carefree, hand-free bag. And it comes with this gold chain. Still wrap. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Bye.